It's your Bakalanya Get Dressed With Me girly officially 27. Not 67. 27. Birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. So for today, we are going to recreate the look of Zendaya during the Spider-Man screening or what. So let's start. So this is what I bought in the thrift store. So this is Old Navy and this is for 100 pieces. 3 pieces for 100 pesos. So yeah, it's an oversized t-shirt. So let's wear it. So I wore I wore a short. Wearing. So this is it, the outfit of yeah. To wear silverwares.
Magpunta na ito ha.
Yung tapos yung Daya outfit ko gani. Birthday niya.
Ito may siya.
Kulot siya ya.
Hindi ko na yung sarap na nagpulot.
Key, so just to elevate the look, this will be used for the reference. Just look at it. And this is my bag for today.